In this presentation, I'd like to discuss converting from binary to decimal. First, let's discuss decimal. When we count in decimal, we are counting to base 10. When you count to base 10, the units that you have are 0 to 9. You have 10 units. Let's take a look at a decimal number. Let's say we had a decimal number of 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we all know what this number is, but let's look at it as a mathematician. This column has a value. The value of this column is 10 to the power of 0. Whatever your base is, the column value is that base to the power of some number. The first column is to the power of 0. This is 10 to the power of 1. This is 10 to the power of 2. This is 10 to the power of 3. This pattern that you're looking at here is consistent for all of the different numbering systems. The only difference is what is the base. So if the base was some other number, the column value would be that base number to the power of these particular exponents that you're looking at here. Ten to the power of 0 is 1. 10 to the power of 1 is 10. 10 squared is 100. 10 cubed is 1,000. So the number you're looking at here is 4,300, 2 tens, and 1 unit. We have 4 groups of thousands. We have 3 groups of hundreds. We have 2 groups of tens, and we have 1 unit. When we count in binary, we're counting to base 2. So we have 2 units. Our units are 0 and 1. 2 units. Let's look at a binary number. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. First thing we have to do here is work out the column values. What is the value of this column? Well, this is to the base of 2 to the power of 0. What is the value of this column? Well, this is 2 to the power of 1. This is 2 squared, 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the 5, 2 to the 6, 2 to the 7. The values we're looking at here are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. So the number that we're looking at here is we have one group of 128. We have one group of 64. We have 0 groups of 32. We have one group of 16. We have one group of 8. 0 groups of 4. We have one group of 2. And we have 0 units. If you look at this carefully, basically what we're doing is every column that has a 1, we're adding the value of that column. So we are adding 128 plus 64 plus 16 plus 8 plus 2. The answer that we get is 218, 218. Let's do this conversion using the Windows calculator. Firstly, switch the calculator to programmer mode. And down here you have DEC for decimal, bin for binary. We're clicking bin. And then I'm entering my binary number. So here we go. And now I'm clicking on DEC and I get 218.